How do you get more sales into your business? So I'm going to show you a quick diagram of how the sales pipeline should be working in your business and what you can do to actually up the game. Get more sales in there, up your marketing. So let's think of it like this. The sales is like a tube. It's like a pipeline coming into your business. The sales inside the pipeline is the water that comes out and drips into the pool, which is the sales at the end of it. A lot of businesses though think that if they just keep this pipeline the way it's always been, then the sales will just keep coming through and more sales will come through. Here's the thing guys, if you keep this pipeline the same diameter, the same width, the same amount of sales will always come through. If we want to get more sales through, we need to be thinking about increasing the size of this pipeline. How do we get this diameter bigger so we're working with a larger area? So, increase the marketing. We can start to think about how we can start to get more marketing out there, how we can start to increase that diameter, because at the end of the day, if we don't increase that diameter, we're always going to get the same amount. So we need to start thinking bigger. How can we think bigger on a bigger scale and get more out there? Another way as well is to create lots of pipelines. We want to be thinking, how many pipelines can we get into this pool of sales here? So, not just increasing the size of the pipeline, but increasing the amount of pipelines. What sort of strategies can we put into place? What sort of different marketing tools can we put into place? How can we start thinking differently about increasing the pipeline diameter and increasing the pipelines to come into that sales eventually? See guys, the way, if we keep doing the things that we've always done, we're always going to get the same results. This pipeline here, sometimes it can be full to the top, sometimes it can be trickling through. But if we just keep the same size pipeline, we're always going to be in that same way, that up and down situation. When we increase the pipeline, increase the number of pipelines, that's going to increase our sales, and that's how the business is going to be growing. I want you to take this away and think about today, how can your business, and speak with your sales managers and your sales team, how can your business start increasing the size of the pipeline and start increasing the number of pipelines feeding into that sales pool of yours?